It uses this filament to print, and it looks a lot like weed whacker string, which is basically what anyone that's ever done yard work says first thing whenever they see them. And it melts it and builds up whatever you want to print. Make sure your name is perfectly aligned in the center. If you turn your work so that you're looking at it edge on, you can see that you can also align it vertically, but in this case, since our project is mostly flat, it doesn't need to be aligned vertically, just along the X and Y axis. So now that we've got it aligned, we're going to just click on your name. Want to make sure that only your name is selected and not the bookmark, because now we're going to turn your solid name into a hole, and that's how it's going to cut through to embed your name in the bookmark. So we're going to select your name and then go over here. It says color and hole. We're going to click on hole. So now you can see it turns transparent, and we're pretty close to being done. So you want to make sure that everything on your bookmark is the way that you want it to be, because this next step is hard to undo. Anybody tell me what it is? Exactly. Did you know that already, or were you here when I explained it the first time? Awesome. Okay, so yes.
The box has the color and window. It's not in blue. It just has color.
Oh, that's fine. I guess you can't text. Okay. Did you click on your text? You don't have text out here. You need to drag that over. There. Alright, so he is absolutely right. If I print this like it is, then we're going to run into issues because the plastic that's at the center of the holes in the R and the A is just going to fall right out. So what we need to do, if you have this issue with your name, then we need to change the font from where it is right now, which is Beavis, to the font called Major Snafu. So you can see now that the letters are changed so that it doesn't have any holes that are going to fall out. So this is what the end result is going to look like. You can see it's a very little bookmark and it's got your name on it. Here, show them what the entire thing looks like. Yeah, looks like that when it comes off the printer. And then once you peel the raft off, then you're done. So you want to show them how the raft looks now that you've taken the bookmark off? Ta-da.
You took the part from the boat. Bang.
It takes time to do it. Stop it. Yeah, she's gonna get up to it.